Hilo has some family beach parks, which are beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. But yeah, they're amazing. We pulled up. I think I need to drink some water.
Well, perk up a little.
My neck is hurting so bad.
Are you serious?
Oh yeah, I can hardly move.
What can we say about Hawaii? Hawaii was really our first major destination on this adventure. We kind of stuck around the US for a week or so, kind of testing the waters, easing into it a little bit, but we knew that Hawaii would be our major jumping off point. Once we were there would be no turning back. So, and it was awesome.
Say Hawaii.
Yeah, so we grabbed our car and then we headed up to our Airbnb, which was in a tiny little village called Volcano. It was super chill. There was no one around ever. We didn't necessarily choose it for that reason. It was more so because everything else on the island was booked up by the time we tried to book. But it was great. We had a really nice sized family house, and our host was great. We had everything we needed, plenty of bedrooms, lots of space, a nice big backyard. So yeah, we were happy with that.
Yeah, it was good.
So the Big Island is super budget friendly. Everyone told us if you want to save some money, go to the Big Island, and that's definitely true. I think we did something different every single day, and I think we only paid for one attraction the whole week.
Mm-hmm.
So we saved a lot of money, and there's just so much to do on the Big Island that's free and great for kids.
Yeah, they have in Hilo. I called it Hilo all week, but then I asked a local, and they said it's pronounced Hilo. But Hilo has some family beach parks, which are beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So we made it to Hilo, and within about a minute, I was checking off a bucket list item.
Literally within a minute, he was in the water with a sea turtle.
Yeah. Yeah, it was like a 3-footer, just chilling out by the rocks, eating some seaweed.
Yeah, we went to a couple different beach parks. One was great for kids, had the sand, some rock pools, large grassy areas. And the first one we went to was less kid-friendly, but super beautiful, great for snorkeling, lots of fish and turtles.
Mm-hmm.
Both really beautiful and free.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazingly beautiful and awesome.
If there was one word to sum up the Big Island, it's nature. Flora and fauna. I hate those words. I've always hated those words. I don't know why. They just sound weird.
Yeah.
But,
I don't know who uses those words.
The flora and fauna, though, was on point. It was beautiful. You can go from the most lush, jungly atmosphere, and you'll turn a corner in the road, and you'll zoom around this mountain, and then it's like dry, grassy fields as far as you can see. And then you'll turn another corner, and it's like black lava rock for as far as you can see.
We stayed like 5 minutes from the Volcano National Park. We took a little hike and went to the crater.
Yeah.
And that was just so cool.
Where are we going, buddy?
Volcano house.
Volcano house?
It's open now, Dad. Now it's open. And water just went down the way. And we'll do that film that walks open. That's a good big steam. That's where the water is steam.
That's right, bud.
That's where that steam comes from.
So there were a few options for seeing waterfalls and beautiful nature parks. The first one we visited was Akaka Falls. Akaka Falls. That was awesome. Mama.
Me.
Winston. Mama. Ben.